Hi, today I would like to show you how I've made these lightsabers. These great collapsing lightsabers were designed by the 3D printing world. You can find the links to the files in the description below. After downloading the STL files, it should be just a matter of printing the objects. But these were one of the most tricky prints I've ever made. Especially the blades were causing a lot of troubles. You need to have a really well calibrated printer. Set your Z-hop, retraction, temperatures, bet the offset, otherwise you can produce 3D printed spaghetti like I did. Also, the bed adhesion is really important. After successfully printing all the files, it is time to paint the hilts so they look more realistic. I started with the Lux hilt. First I've painted red and green buttons, then used Vallejo skin tone for bronze parts. Set aside to dry and started with the Sith hilt. I've used Citadel Lead Belcher acrylic paint. It is really easy task, just paint silver whatever part you think should be non-black and then apply some dry brushing around the edges. Do not forget to paint the end cap too. Now it's time to back to the Lucas hilts. There is still a little bit more work to do. First repaint the buttons and the bronze parts, next apply Citadel Abaddon black. I've put Luke Skywalker initials inside the cap. Now put it aside to dry again, switch to the Sith version and continue with dry brushing. Finally, the coat of Citadel Agrax Earthshade wash is applied for the Luke's lightsaber to weather it and make it look less flat, and it is done. Now let's assemble the lightsabers, but first I will clean it up. The assembly process is fairly easy, you just open the cap at the bottom, insert the blade, close it, and it's ready. Same one with this one. And they are ready to be tested. This is really nice, but something is missing. Okay, now let's try it. This is much better, but there is something still missing. Okay, now it should be alright. Yeah, now you're talking. Check my other cool videos and may the 4th be with you.